Funk Flex, of course. Nicki Minaj. We got a story to tell, right, Tat? Yep. Me and Nicki are here fresh off of having big problems, right? Is that a good way to put it?
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't mad. I was being opinionated.
Of course.
I was being opinionated about your music, right? Is that the right way to say it?
Yeah, but it felt more than about my music. And I don't know why, for some reason, and I noticed it with a lot of people from New York or on New York radio, it seems like when they have an issue with me, it seems like it's more than just music.
Because I'm come full circle, so I can kind of like tell you where I was. I think.
Thank you.
From you, then they would from the next person.
Thank you. Let's take a moment to let that sink in.
Yes. Should I?
Well, thank you. That was like your energy was so genuine, and it really was like dope. It was really dope. I was happy that you liked it. So.
I thought you were making good music. I was wondering if you were going to continue.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering.
You thought it might just be.
But that was everybody though. Don't like Nicki, when you get into that successful, a lot of records selling, social media, you're aware of the internet, you're aware of what the fuck's being said about niggas. So for me, I was like,
oh, you thought somebody was feeding me?
No.
Culture?
I thought that if there was any Chung Lee, yeah, but then I didn't get the album yet. Okay. Right? Then, so for Dreams, for me, when I was hearing how you describing shit, I felt it was you, which we're gonna break down in a second. You said something else I don't want to skip across.
Okay.
We mentioned those reference tracks. I just want your opinion. That's allowed in the game.
Of course.
Like a hook, couple bars, hook idea, change something up in the studio. Those are like unwritten rules of being okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.